Hello everyone, my name is Faizan. In this review, I am going to show you how to build an HTML website using AI and then host it free on Cloudflare Pages. Now, if in this sentence you do not understand any word like ChatGPT, AI, HTML website or Cloudflare Pages, you don't have to worry about it. Keep following this video and you will be able to do it yourself. And let's start with it. This is Cloud.ai. It provides AI services, and for a free plan, it will be enough for us to create a primary website. So let's start. For example, you are a loan cleaner, or you could be anyone, and you provide those services. So let's say build a loan cleaning service website. So if you have more information about your business, how you do things, so you can give all this information to Claude and you don't have to worry about the spelling or these English grammar and everything because Claude will take care of it. AI is built for this type of things. So you just have to add your information like your contact number, your timings, your pricing, and everything where you work, how you operate your process, and how people can take appointment with you. So you can put all this information here, and it will create the website. So in the end, what we are going to do is going to HTML. We want to make sure it create HTML website. And yeah, that's all you have to do. And click on this arrow. Now Claude will start building the HTML website for you. As you can see, the website is ready. We have our HTML part here. So the website name is Loan Care or Loan Line. If you have a business name, you can give it to the AI. Otherwise, it will create it as well. So all we have is the pages. If you need any change, you can ask it here. Otherwise, if it looks good to you, you have to do it. You have to download the HTML part from here. Download as HTML. So one thing you have to do is once you download it as HTML, you have to rename it. Rename it as index. That is all you have to do. If whatever the file name, change it to the index because the HTML usually deployed as an index.html. So then we are going to go to the Cloudflare. So Cloudflare is an application that gives you free compute, basically free space on internet so you can host your website. And we are going to go to the compute part and then workers and pages. Then you can go to the create application and here are several ways you can host your website. All you have to do is upload your file. The file will be downloaded from the cloud. So go to here and click on the file and put the index here. So now see index.html part is here and here is the name and we can change it to a loan website or whatever your business name, whatever you want to keep it. So here it is. The advanced setting you don't have to touch. All you have to do is now deploy. And now your website will be live, will be published. But there is a different thing here is the domain name will not be your website because we are deploying it, we are hosting it, or basically we are using the Cloudflare. So we are going to use the Cloudflare domain name. So here is your website. You can share this link to your friends or family or your clients or anyone, and it will be visible like this as it is. And yeah, that's it. But if you want to add your domain, for example, you want to add loanwebsite.com, then you have to purchase the domain name and then you have to add it to the Cloudflare. But that will need a different video. In this video, I am only going to share how to create HTML part with the help of AI and then deploy it on Cloudflare. And if you have any question, any problem in following this tutorial, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. And yes, thank you for watching this video.